Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to see second part of chapter 7, and the name of this chapter is Amazing Animal Senses. In the previous class we have seen that Ria was telling about the sense organs of animals, and we have seen an experiment yesterday that if we put some crystals of sugar on the floor, soon a lot of ants come to pick them up. This is because their sense organs helped them to search the sugar crystals. Now in this class we have to read animal senses. So students, open page number 34 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now I am going to read. Like all other living things, animals also need food to survive, grow and get energy. They use their sense organs to get food as well as to avoid danger. So, like all other living things, animals also need food to survive, grow and get energy. They use their sense organ to get food and protect themselves from enemies to run their lives. Now, sense of smell. A strong sense of smell helps dogs to locate food and other things. That is why dogs are often seen sniffing at things. It is because of this ability that they are used to detect bombs, drugs and other things by the police and for rescue operations. Okay, so here you have to underline some words. Sniffing means scent, or you can say smelling. Rescue means defense. Just a minute. So, and you all know about the locate. Locate means search out. So we have seen in this point that dogs have very strong sniffing power, and this sense is the best of all animals, and because of this you must have often seen that dogs keep sniffing things, or they recognize things by sniffing. This is why the police and defense operations use dogs to find things such as bombs and drugs. Now Ria wants to know, name two situations or rescue operations where dogs are used. So, dogs are used to detect bombs and drugs. Now the question 2, name one more animal that is used in rescue operation. So here we all can write monkey, K E Y, because monkeys can easily jump from one building to another. Because monkeys can easily jump from one building to another and can easily catch things or criminals. Is that clear, students? So that's all for today. In the next class we will see other points of sense of smell. So thank you, class.